Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Ashley back with another video. And today, you guys, I have been seeing this little thing going around Facebook. And I don't know if it's on TikTok. I don't really get on TikTok, but it's called lasagna soup. It looks so good, you guys. So I'm going to try. I said try to make it. I think I got all the ingredients. I went inside with Dixie. There was a lot of people in there. I did not have on a mask, and I'm like crazy for not having my mask. People was coughing and and I was like, oh my god. So I was trying to hurry and rush. I was looking like I was on supermarket sweep. So I don't even know if I got all the ingredients, and I was just trying to hurry and get in and get out because I had left my mask at home. So I'm going to probably just record and do a voiceover. Hopefully it comes out right. Hopefully my kids eat it. Okay? And here we go. So it's like a one pot, they said one pot meal, which I love. One pot meals. This was not a $10 meal. So I already put oil in the pot. I'm going to turn it on medium, I guess. Y'all, I'm not a cook. I just be trying. So I got some chopped up green peppers and onions and red peppers already chopped from Winn-Dixie. They was 2 for $5, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw those in there. I might be adding ingredients that was not like in the recipe, and that is okay. I'm going to chop up some garlic. I need to clean my stove. Ooh, this garlic look not fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna put some garlic in it. I'm also gonna add mushrooms because I love mushrooms. My husband loves mushrooms. The kids gonna have to pick the mushrooms out because they're not a fan. And I'm only gonna make a small one because I don't know how it's gonna taste, and I don't know if everybody's gonna like it. So I'm going to chop up this. I am not a cook. My husband do most of like the fancy cooking. He is a chef downtown, or down in Channelside where we stay. It's a real nice, well-to-do area. He's a chef down there. So he mostly do all like the fancy cooking. Me, y'all can see, I cook like 5-minute meals. Okay, let's do one more clove of garlic. I love garlic. Garlic has so many different benefits to it. I used to just put garlic and honey in some hot water and drink it. I haven't done that in a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a stir. Can you guys see? Okay, I'm gonna add mushrooms. I just washed them off. These were, I don't remember how much. And the lady in the video I watched, she said, let the vegetables sweat. So whatever that means, we're gonna let them sweat. She said, let the vegetables sweat. So I'm going to let the vegetables sweat and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I forgot to do the hamburger meat first so that I'm able to drain the meat off before I started cooking the vegetables. It's supposed to be a 1-pot dish. So we're going to put a 2-pot dish only because I forgot to cook this first. So I'm able to drain off the grease, and I don't want it to the grease to stay in there because it makes it too greasy. I paid $9 and 3 cents for this at Winn-Dixie. I'm just gonna only use like half of it because I don't want to cook too much and then nobody like it. So I'm just gonna drop that in here and do about half. Okay, you guys, I am back and I have already cooked off the hamburger meat and I put it into the what do you call this? The green peppers and the mushrooms and onions. So I don't have the recipe in front of me, so we're gonna just wing it. Hopefully it'll come out right, or we'll be having spaghetti, one or the other, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my tomato paste. And the supposed to be diced tomatoes, but they only have big giant cans, and like I said, I don't want to make a giant pot of this, so that's why I just got the Rotel. Oh, I didn't know it said fire roasted. It may be too hot. I didn't see that, but it's got diced tomatoes and then green chili peppers in it. So you guys, I'm going to open these cans and I'm going to dump them in. Okay, the tomato paste and the Rotel have been put in. Stirring it up. You guys, and this is what it's looking like now. It smells delicious. I put, for seasoning, I put oregano, Italian seasoning salt, and pepper. And I might add a little bit more, depending on like the taste once I get everything mixed in. I don't want to be too salty, like too over seasoned, because then my kids won't eat it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to add, now, I watched 2 different ones, and one lady said add chicken broth and heavy whipping cream, and then another lady said add beef broth. So, you guys, I'm just going to go with the, oh, first, let me add the tomato sauce. Okay, so we're going to add 1 can to start off with, just to see how it does, of tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. Well, 1 can, like, it's going to be more than enough, you guys. Okay, now, guys, I hope this come out good. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat up, and now we're going to add our chicken broth. And the lady, I think she said about 2, but I bought 1. So we're going to see how this one does. She said you can either do this or you could add water. And she said that's to control the thickness because it does get thick. I wasn't trying to make a big old pot, and this pot, like, it's going to be huge. I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream. Y'all, and I don't know no measurements. I'm just pouring, dumping and pouring. Ooh, that's too much. Oh, it turned white. So that wasn't a good idea. You'll see how white it turns? Do you guys think if I add more tomato sauce, it will go back to like red? Let's see. Baby, I didn't know it's going to turn it that color. I put too much whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put some more tomato sauce. Hopefully that change the color back. But if not, this the color they going to get. Let's get it high. Let's see. can't even open this one. I don't like these cans I get from Aldi. It's so hard to open. Okay. I'm gonna pour some more sauce in there. Maybe that'll change the color back. Let's see. Why nobody told me if you put whipping cream in stuff like this, it changed the color? Baby, I'm so crazy. So you guys, you see the color? I'm gonna try something. Let me grab this spoon. I'm gonna try it. It tastes good to me. Let me add some more salt. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add pepper, guys. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my pasta shells in here, and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the last and final step. You're gonna put your oven ready lasagna into the sauce mixture. And she said break them up in there. Oops. And I use the oven ready ones. I don't know if it make a difference, but she used oven ready on the video. So I'm just going to finish breaking these up into the sauce, and we'll be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, this is what it is looking like. This is lasagna soup. And I've been sampling it, and to me, you guys, it is really, really good, especially for my first time cooking it. Nice and soupy. It is really good, you guys. It's perfect for those days when it's freezing outside, like it's been in Florida. We've been having cold weather that Floridians do not just understand. We do not understand that kind of weather. Okay, you guys, over here is my bowl I'm about to throw down. I'm going to add some ricotta cheese to mine. I'm trying to record and hold this at the same time and get to baby because she is crying. So I'm going to add some ricotta cheese to mine, and I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. Uh-oh, that fell in there. I'm going to throw some mozzarella cheese on top of mine. You guys, and this is the finished product. And it is delicious, you guys. You got to try it. That is good. All right, you guys. That is my dinner for tonight. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, tell me your favorite dish to make. Until next time, bye.